Israeli startup Beewise has developed a fully autonomous, solar-powered, climate-controlled mobile home for bees.
Anything a beekeeper would do in the field, the robotic system can mimic. Inspecting hives, applying treatment, applying medicine, harvesting the honey.
Each robotic hive houses up to 2 million bees. It monitors and even treats for disease, dangerous pests, and pesticides 24/7.
By empowering the bees and making sure that they're healthy, we're actually making sure that our food chain is secure.
Beewise has already raised $40 million from investors, and more than 100 bee homes are in use in Israel and the US.